Well, it's that time of year when you start thinking, okay, maybe I'd like to lose some weight or save enough money to have a really great vacation in 2022. Fantastic idea. But in order to make that happen, it's going to require much more than the thought. You have to have some real action behind that thought. The joy under the tree has now passed. And as financial expert Rick Kahler explains,
then comes the hangover of all the credit card debt. And then comes the thought, maybe I need to do something differently. So it's an excellent time to start doing some things to try and get spending reined in.
You know, habits are so important with money.
Planning Alternative CEO Nathan Mercereau says today, write down your cash flow needs, the things you want to do financially this year. Pay down some debt maybe, build an emergency fund, saving for college or retirement, and then build a support system.
Find someone that you can be accountable to, a friend, a spouse, a family member, someone that you can say, here's what I'm working on for 2022. And let's check in on a regular basis, every month, every quarter, and share how progress is going.
U.S. News credit expert Beverly Harzog agrees.
You got to have some structure when you decide you're going to have a New Year's resolution, even if it's just going to the gym every week. Put that on your calendar. Give yourself some visual reminders.
Now, structure could be as simple as writing down your debt reduction progress, old debt number versus the newly reduced one, on a sticky note, and occasionally giving yourself small rewards like a manicure or a special dinner out.
When you have these visual reminders that you see your debt going down, you get a rush of adrenaline, and that helps you keep going. But you've got to get started.
Rick Kahler says if you're really serious, bring in a financial counselor. He knows he is one.
Every financial behavior, no matter how illogical it seems to you or other people, makes perfect sense when you uncover what the underlying beliefs are, which we call money scripts. So that could be the best New Year's resolution to get a handle on spending that I could possibly give anyone.
And here's one you probably haven't heard of: getting an accredited financial counselor to help you get over the hump. There are about a dozen of them across the state of Michigan. We'll link to how to find them on clickondetroit.com. Rod Maloney, Local 4.